guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and hope your loved ones are doing great. So yeah, today I have created this look for you all, like very simple, very basic. I took around 20 minutes to get ready. You guys want to know how I did this entire look, so let's get dive into the video. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will get a notification. So let's get started.